Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to introduce you to a few different techniques. Don't worry if these are techniques you've not seen before or used before with your encaustic art. There will be follow-up videos. Today's video is going to be created around the theme of Halloween, and I would just like to wish you a happy Halloween from Encaustic Art Plus. Today I'm going to use this Grim Reaper stamp, some ink and the iron. So we pat the ink all over the stamp, so we're taking the ink to the stamp. So we place down the stamp into the position that we want, and we just push down, applying a nice pressure, then lift, and there's our image. To dry our image, take a few tissues or a tissue nicely folded over, lay the flat side over the image, take your warm encaustic iron and give it a little iron over. Alternatively, do your stamping, leave it out to dry for about half an hour to an hour. Should be long enough for it to dry in real time. Remove the tissue and you'll see it'll have put the excess on there. Firstly, apply a thin layer of clear beeswax number 27 to your iron, and then go over the stamped image. Don't worry if you get any excess wax on your thing, on your card. This will just enable the other colours to float through the stamped image. You'll see as we go. Next, going to create a sky around the top area. We're going to mix on the iron some yellow, some lilac, tiny bit of black, and some red violet. Come across the image and blend. So we'll put plenty of yellow, the lilac again, a bit of red. So we've filled the card with wax, just moving it randomly around to create some nice shapes. Take the card in my hand and flex to create land at the bottom. I'm just introducing this second iron positioned in the mini hot plate positioning. Other videos will further for instructions on how to do this. I'm going to take a paint roller with encaustic wax on it, warm the card, decide where first we're going to position this, and it will create like a moon. Let's pop it about there. Press down, a few seconds. Right, next we need to just tidy up this imagery. So we're going to tidy up the little Grim Reaper. And we can just use a piece of tissue for that. Dabbing tool. Pop Grim Reaper on the heat just for a few seconds, literally. And I just want to dab away the wax that's over the main image. You can always use the scribing tool in your starter kit to neaten him up even more. For an Halloween image, I'm quite liking him as he is. Happy painting, everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.